Okay, so I'm up here in Cody, Wyoming at a place called Newton Reservoir, and got out of the wind. I tried to fish a place earlier and it was too windy, so hopefully we can get in some little planter cutthroat trout here. See how. Okay guys, looks like we're about 11 feet of water, which isn't a bad thing. How's it going, bud?
How you doing?
Good, not bad. How are you?
I'm doing great now.
Good. So I'm out here on Newton, run into a guy named Steve. He's a follower.
How's it going?
Tell us your story, Steve.
Good time out here. I don't want to go into the whole story.
All right. Well, anyways, a pretty cool story.
Yeah.
Joe's
a good guy.
Sounds like you've been watching for a while.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
A couple skinny guys out here. Hopefully this 3 inches of ice will hold us.
That's right. So I might come join you here in a few. So,
right on.
Okay, buddy.
All right, man.
Good to meet you.
Good talking.
Well, that was kind of fun. A lot of times I'll run into people at the store or whatnot. Good to have a new guy to go fishing with, so that's fun. Anyways, I wanted to show you today. I've been printing some stuff on that printer. You saw it in the last video. I got a 3D printer. I'll put a link in the description. You guys got to get you one of these. But this was just a file, and I will put a link to the file on thingiverse.com, and I actually modified that to where it would work a little better, and it's going to be a good tip down. And it's not perfect, but we're going to give it a try. I'm going to do some mods to it eventually, but I just printed it up. Want to try it out, so we'll get that going. And then also, if you guys watch the channel, you're familiar with these rod holders I make out of CPVC pipe. I went ahead and printed me just a prototype of a rod holder here. Boom, boom. And what's nice about it, just rests right in there and right in there. And I also put a little hooky bob here for your forceps. So watch out in the future. We're going to be tweaking stuff out pretty hardcore with this 3D printer. Rock on, almost baby. Failed to show you these little Altoids tins. You get you that printer and you can print your little dividers here. Little four pronger there. We got 8 of them there and 6 of them there. So you can just print these little trays and just pop them right in your old Altoids tins. They are in there. They're just keeping me humble. Well, we got the skunk off. Did a little exploring. Drilled a few other holes and got him in the furthest ones out. About 13 feet of water. Beautiful Yellowstone cutthroat. We'll get him back. Love it, love it, love it. Show you guys a view of what we're fishing today. Gorgeous country. As I always say, just gorgeous. There's Steve and his group over there. Thank goodness we found some shelter from the wind. That red rock formation there is pretty neat. We got a lot of colleges that come out here in the summertime for their classes for geology. Blessed to live here. Well, we're waiting for the fish to come through. I'll show you another little toy I've been making. It's a little pill dispenser, but I'm using it to dispense split shot. You just kind of give it a twist and get your split shot there. These are the smaller split shot, and I use those for tip-up fishing with live minnows. And then the top here, where it has a locking mechanism so it doesn't turn anymore, you can take that lock off, and I've got bigger ones in the little void in the middle there. It's got a couple of little grooves there. One unlocked, and then two is locked. He's got an S on it for small, but I think it's S for sinkers. I just barely missed one. Darn it. On slow days like this, it's a pain to miss those, because they really hurt your numbers. So as you can see, the wind's blowing that tip down. Get a little jigging action to it. I know the wind's going to be an issue here. Got her untangled there. Good deal, so we got us a fish there. Let's go back and get another one. Okay, we got one chasing. He was chasing. I don't know where he went. There he is. Come on, bud. Hit her, hit her, hit her. There we go, got him. Got him, got him. Live it, love it. Nice job. Are we having fun yet? Ooh, she's a windy. Hey, right away we got another one. They're coming through, boys and girls. That's a little nicer fish there. That's a nicer fish. There you go. Quick release, quick release. Let's go get his buddy. Using a little tingler spoon. Tiny, tiny one. Tipped with a maggot. Boy, that wind has got everything blowing sideways. So things are working pretty good. Got my nice rod holder there. The only problem with today is my daughter took the other car and it had my ice fishing coat in it. So it's getting a little nippy with that wind. Well guys, this is just getting stupid now. So I'm gonna call it and head home, getting a headache from the wind. So we'll catch you on the next one. Tight lines.